That's another civilian. Yeah. Is he hiding like away from the buildings? I'm guessing he must be there somewhere. I'm still at 121% weight. Really? What is so heavy? Okay. I'm camouflaged as well. I didn't actually know how to use the camouflage kit, but since it's my character's lighting up, so now I can just go scout around with two. Though Monk is still faster and better in every single way, but I have two characters who can do it. And I'm really praying to God that I find this enemy quick. This has just gone beyond the point of being funny. One go there. I'm just sending my people around and just see if I can even hear something. Or yeah, he was there from the start, wasn't he? God, told you when I was lying there. It would be typical for one to go out that door, but yeah. Headshot. Go for it. Yeah. Good job, Mark.
Looks interesting.
Go pick it up then. Or move closer at least. Oh, that woman scared me. I really thought that was an enemy. Again, still more enemies.
Forget the ones we didn't get.
Still more enemies. Good God. Go look inside.
Looks interesting.
Another canteen. Can I open the door? Can I open it? No, it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. Use the crowbar. Yeah, that made some sound. I wanted the canteen.
Empty.
It's not empty. It's flashing. Come on, let me select it. That's weird.
Got it.
So now I've got a canteen. That does what? This polyethylene canteen, not reusable, refillable or recyclable, but extremely practical. 5 shots of water and throw it? So it's got water. Right. Now am I not glad to have water? I don't know. I don't really see a practical use for it yet, but I guess I will over time.
Locked.
Dude, you might as well use your crowbar. Actually, don't. It's better to save it, probably. And another empty room. I think I've really just about explored every single thing. Monk has a sound from east. It's 2 civilians. 3 even. This is tiring. I'm thinking I should probably just start. I should edit this whole piece out really. Just walking around, just waiting for stuff. So basically, the only parts I've not explored is that little room, that room, and yeah, that because it's locked. So I don't think anyone's going to be in there, and same for that. Anyhow, Monk, since you have a crowbar, let's see if you can go open that.